welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time. You guys asked in one of our weekly lives, which is every Sunday 6:15 Eastern Standard Time, if I would show you guys how I fake fuller lips. And that's what today's video is all about. So I'm going to zoom you guys in. I'm going to show you my favorites to get really full lips, because as you guys can see, I have what I call granny lips, and I like to fake a full lip. That's just what I do. So before anybody comes for me, if you have been with my channel for a while, you know that last November I did receive free lip injections. I won them where I get my facials. They only last 6 to 9 months, so they're gone, unfortunately. And my little lip plumper machine that I used to have, I got it in the Sephora VIP spring sale. That broke. So here we are. Fresh and natural, which there's nothing wrong with thin lips, guys, but there are days that I want big, full, voluptuous, sexy lips. So that's what today's video is all about. So I'm going to zoom you guys in and we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, guys, so I do have a little bit of my, I take whatever I applied under my eye and whatever is left on my finger, I apply it on my lips, and that is the Tatcha Pearl and Moonlight. It's not something that you have to apply to your lips. I just do. It's just what I do. I have 3 favorites here that I want to talk about. I always here lately since receiving this is the Gerard Cosmetics Lip Pencil in Sugar and Spice. The day I'm filming this, I don't know if the sale will still be going on, but you get 5 of these for $25. So I picked up 5. You can get 5 different shades, but this legitimately, sorry, my brother's in the middle of texting me and we're having a conversation and I'm like, did he respond? Did he respond? Multitasking mom here. GerardCosmetics.com. I'll leave my link down below for you guys. I do have an affiliate code or a link for you guys. If you're not down to earn my family a little commission, don't use the link or the code, but my code will save you 30%. I don't know if the code will work for this particular deal, but these are typically $16 a pencil, and like I said, they're on sale. 5 for $25. Rachel reached out to me. She's like, girl, did you know? And I'm like, I did not. So I jumped on that and I ordered 5 of the same Sugar and Spice liners. Next, from Gerard Cosmetics, I love the shade Buttercup, and I'm going to swatch it for you guys. I swatched it on the live. It's like a really pretty, like peachy, pinky type of color, and then I do go over it a little bit with the Macy and Mia gloss. I have the full size one, but I really like the applicator of this one. This is in the shade Ava. So I'm done talking. I'm gonna zoom you guys in even closer, and we're gonna attempt this. I think I have you guys as close as possible. So why I like this particular shade, I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. It's kind of got like a nude brown with a little bit of a peach undertone. It's just the perfect nude lipstick. So what I'm gonna show you guys is how, excuse me, your job is to focus, ma'am. There it is. Bring it back. Bring it back. There you are. Okay. Camera. Okay, so what I do is I'm going to start down through here. And I overline a little bit, guys. Hold on. Let me get a mirror so I can actually see what I'm doing. Alright, and then then I do a part right through here, and then I go to my Cupid's bow, and I'm going to show you guys that I do not overline. I keep the Cupid's bow where it's supposed to be. So, and I make an X, like so. Now, you can go up a little higher, but don't like outline it. You can really accentuate those. The Cupid's bow area, I do that. So once you've got that, then you can go back to the overlining. And then I fill in and darken it, the outer part through here. That way you don't notice it as much, I feel like, that it's been overlined. And I go under. Kind of hard to explain. And then I do the same thing. I color it here. But not all the way. And then I kind of like put a couple lines in here. I don't really know if the lines do anything, but it makes me feel like it's professional or something. I don't know. So it looks crazy. I'm well aware. Then we're going to go in with Buttercup. Again, Gerard Cosmetics, gorgeous shade. Then, again, I don't put this in the center. I work it on the outside, like so. And then I pat it in. And then I will go across all the lip, like so. Whatever I'm bringing, I'll bring from whatever's over here into the inner part. And go over the line. Okay, I'm making a mess because I'm trying to talk and do it at the same time. So ignore that. Look at that. Oh, girl. Spicy pants. Then, only in the center, I'm going to go in with the Macy and Mia and Ava. And I bring it all the way up. And then I pat again. Because pushing that into the lips tends to make it look more natural. I definitely recommend exfoliating beforehand. I forgot. Then you can go over just a smidge if you want. Again with a liner. Real lightly. And that is that. Sometimes I get really sassy and I'll add a little bit of Makeup Revolution in there as well. This is like kind of metallic-y frosted, only in the center and right up through here. And I get this is not something you guys are going to want to do all the time, maybe for a picture or something. Anyways guys, this is how I fake some full lips for pictures or what have you. I know this is not for like everybody's everyday routine, but you guys asked, I listened, and here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to give me a big thumbs up. If you are curious about this eye look, I recorded that as well. I called this like the simple way to add a little bit of color into your maybe scared of color routine. Yeah? Okay. Anyways, check my description box down below for the items that I use, that if you guys are interested in it. Like I said, I do have a coupon code to Gerard Cosmetics where you can save 30% off, as well as both of my daughters, and my second channel is linked down in the description box for you guys. Don't forget to check me out over on Instagram and Twitter. I'll have my handle scrolling down through here. I'll pop up some videos at the end of this if you guys want to continue to watch some of my content. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you are interested in becoming part of our Patreon family, it is linked in my description box down below, and I will pop a little icon up at the end of this video for you guys if you guys are interested in becoming part of the Patreon squad. Anyways friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Good Daddy. Bye. Should this be my thumbnail? That would be cheesy, but I think I'll make it my thumbnail. Should I do one of those awkward like poses? Like, come on girl, you're 41. I'm pretty sure we don't do sexy here. I'm bringing sexy back. Okay, I'm done here.